Alive. Once daily, men's multivitamin benefits. Balanced for men to support multiple body systems. Bones. Cells. Digestion. Eyes. Heart. Immunity. Metabolism. Muscles. Description: premium formula. Ultra potency. Energizer with food-based blends. Orchard fruits, garden veggies and daily greens powder, 80 mg, enzymes, bioflavonoids. Multivitamin supplement. Gluten-free. Suggested use. Recommendation: take 1 tablet daily, preferably with food. Other ingredients: cellulose, vegetable stearic acid, vegetable modified cellulose gum, vegetable magnesium stearate, silica, vegetable modified cellulose, vegetable glycerin, no sugar, salt, yeast, wheat, soy, artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. Warnings: not formulated for women or children. If you have high blood pressure, have a kidney disorder, taking medications for diabetes or any other medications, consult a healthcare professional before use. Contains the amino acid phenylalanine. Do not exceed recommended use. Keep out of reach of children. Safety sealed with printed outer shrink wrap and inner seal. Do not use if either seal is broken or missing. Store at room temperature. Keep bottle tightly closed. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.